Do you struggle to lash inner corner lashes? If so, try this beginner-friendly isolation hack. All you need is a small piece of micropore tape, and you're going to come in on an angle like this so that part of the tape will be on the eyelid and the other part will be on the lashes. Then you're going to gently pull that tape towards the outer corner, and this will pull everything out of the way so you can easily access those inner corners. And from here, it's really simple. Just use the tips of your tweezers to gently weave out the inner corner lashes. You can pull them out one at a time, or you can pull them out all together like I'm doing here. Once those lashes have been pulled out from the tape, you can now apply your extensions with ease. Another amazing perk for using this hack is getting better placement. Because the lashes and skin are pulled back, I can actually see the base of the natural lash, so I can aim to place my extension 0.5 millimeters away from the skin. Why is this important? Because it will help prevent irritation and the grow out will look a lot cleaner. Okay, we are about to show the final results from this video, but in the meantime, please go ahead and take a moment to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We post new videos every single week, and if you have any isolation tips that you'd like to share that might be helpful to others, go ahead and drop them in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for tuning into today's video, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.